Okay, this is pretty exciting to be here with you, Bob Hoover, the in aviation, and to be here at Oshkosh for Air Adventure 2002. What do you think? Have you had a good time here?
Jim, I think this gets bigger and better every year, and I'm always excited about being here because of what is being accomplished during this week.
Well, Bob, I'll tell you, what I'm really excited about is that for the honor that Maverick Jets has, our company, for you to come down to, I don't know if the rest of the people here know this, but Bob flew down to our new international headquarters in Melbourne, Florida, to find out about this Maverick jet. And Bob's a bit of a maverick himself, so it was probably easy for him to identify with the name, but he came down to find out what was going on. And I thought of Caesar. He came, he saw, and he conquered, and got a little bit conquered yourself, didn't you, Bob?
I did indeed, delightfully so.
Yeah, well, tell us, you know, Bob, we got a model of this jet that you took through the spat line here, and Maverick jet. It's got about 250 hours on it, and you came and flew it, and you know, and that kind of changed things.
Well, it really did. I was fascinated by the airplane when I first saw it there at Sun and Fun, which is a part of EA. And meeting with you and then your invitation to come down and look at it, I was already fascinated by the performance of the airplane, and then coming down to your facility at Melbourne and actually looking at the airplane and flying it was very important to me. But one of the more important things that I gained out of that visit was the opportunity to see how you had surrounded yourself with such wonderful talent. And that's what it's all about in this life. You can't put a good product out unless you have the right people to help you engineer it, design it, and make it happen the way you wish it to come out. And I was so impressed that you have done that. And I was also impressed that your management team, and especially you, are motivated to provide the safest and the best airplane that one can buy.